So today we have a full house clean with me. As you see, my house is just a complete mess, and we are going to take the next few minutes just to get it cleaned and ready to, I guess, be messed up again, because that's life. You clean up a mess and the mess gets made again because you have kids. But that's life, and let's go ahead and get to cleaning. So I'm starting in the kitchen. I did clean out my refrigerator earlier, so that's why all of these just Tupperware containers clean. I am trying to not cook so much anymore because we do end up tossing a lot. We end up having a lot of leftovers, but at least once a week we do leftovers for dinner, so that's why that way we can eat the leftovers. But here I just cleaned out the refrigerator and I'm getting all of the Tupperware containers empty so that way I can clean the rest of the kitchen. Before moving on to the counters, I am just working on washing the dishes. That way I have more counter space to actually put them on and everything. And that way it's just taking care of one thing at a time. And yes, I hand wash all of our dishes because we do not have a dishwasher. Sometimes I enjoy it and sometimes I don't when I have a lot of dishes like right now, because there's so many to wash. But I get it done and I survive, so that's always good. Moving on to the counter and putting away some of the food. We had wings for lunch today, which is one of the reasons the kitchen is just so messy. So I'm cleaning up the counters now, putting away the food, getting the oil, put it in the container so I can discard of it and not have to worry about it leaking everywhere. Usually I will save the oil, but since we had already used this oil, this is our second time using it, I went ahead and got rid of it. That's what I usually do when we have wings and when we use oil. Finishing up dishes and finished. Moving on to the living room, it wasn't too bad. It just had some small amounts of clutter and trash and clothes and everything, so I just took a few minutes to get that all cleaned up and straightened. It doesn't take me long at all to do the living room things today. I always have to make sure I check Zoe's little backpack because she puts so much stuff in it. It's these random things. The other day she had the television controller in it and we were looking for it and I'm like, Zoe, where's the controller? And she just starts laughing because she knew it was in her backpack and it was adorable. I want to say thank you so much for stopping by my channel and watching my video. It really does mean a lot to me when I see that you guys are watching them and commenting and liking on my videos. It really just encourages me to continue filming them and get more uploaded and ready for you guys to watch. So just thank you for all the likes and views. It does mean a lot to me. This right here was actually after we put the kids to bed because it got late as I was cleaning and everything and we had to pause and put them to bed. So that's why kind of all the lights are turned off now because the kids are in bed and they are asleep and we're just going to finish cleaning up and getting it all done. just cleaning up the dining room after dinner now, and that way it can be clean and ready in the morning. I am talking to my sister here who had actually came and stayed with us for a while. She is now actually gone and visited another sister, so she is no longer at our house, and it makes me very sad, and I miss her, but I know she's having fun with our older sister. Here is some after shots of the living room and the dining room and the kitchen. It really does change the look of the house when your house is clean, and it's just such a satisfying feeling. Those, we actually had a bonfire and we burned those, which is why they're still sitting there. But clean, and now we are working on our bedroom while me and my sister are actually watching Anne of Green Gables. That way I could watch the movie and get our bedroom and the laundry done while we're watching TV. I want to take a minute to once again thank you guys for stopping by, and also let you guys know that it is free to subscribe to my channel, so that if you do like this video, you can be notified and you just know when another video comes along that I upload, and you can just hit that subscribe button and then also the bell right beside it. That way you actually get the notification when I upload. I would love to have you as a subscriber, and if you do subscribe, just let me know, and like I said, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Now it is time to tackle the laundry. I always got laundry. I try to do it every day or whenever I notice the basket is getting full. That way it doesn't overwhelm me. But anybody who wears clothes knows that laundry never stops. Alright, and that is all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video and that it gives you good motivation to get up and get your own house tackled and clean and back in order. And I will see you guys in the next one.